Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study chapter changes in matter. I have explained you till page number 52 in the classroom. In this presentation I will give you explanation from book page number 53 and 54. After the completion of explanation I will give you copy work which you have to do in your copies, and after this you have to do book exercises number 1 and 3 from book page number 55 and 56. Now open page number 53 in your books. We are going to start from the topic compound. When a chemical change occurs, a new kind of matter is made. This new kind of matter is called compound. The properties of a compound are different from its parts. For example, rust forms slowly as oxygen from the air combines. Chemical reactions is a chemical change. When two or more things combine chemically, a chemical reaction takes place. In chemical reactions are all around us. For example, decomposition is a chemical reaction. Decomposition or rotting of food is a chemical reaction. Tiny living things called microorganisms feed on the food and turn it into other substances. These new substances are not suitable for eating. Filling up. Many chemical reactions take place in the kitchen. For example, the bread starts out as a dough mixture. Dough mixture includes flour and yeast, etc. When yeast is a microorganism, reacts with the sugar, carbon dioxide gas is produced. Carbon dioxide bubbles fill the dough and it becomes light. The heat of an oven turns the dough into bread. Now move on to next page. Burning. Chemical reactions occur the process of when we burn wood or coal. The carbon in the wood or coal reacts with oxygen in the air. This reaction makes ash, smoke and energy in the form of light and heat. We cannot turn ashes back into wood or coal. Fireworks. When metals such as iron and magnesium in a fire burn, they react with oxygen of air. It produces ash and smoke. Fireworks also release heat, light and noise. Rusting. When iron rusts, it reacts with oxygen in the air or in water. It makes a new compound, iron oxide or rust. Cleaning with soap. Soap and water react to wash dirt off from our hands or clothes. The running water carries soap dirt away. Digesting food. Many chemical reactions take place in our body to digest food. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into tiny particles. Digestion begins in our mouth. Chemicals in our mouth, stomach and intestine break down food and change it into simpler form. The simpler food can absorb into the walls of our intestine. The food carries this digested food to all parts of our body. Battery actions. Batteries are of different kinds. We find them everywhere, in toys, in cameras, in mobile phones and in vehicles. A battery is filled with chemicals. All batteries have a positive and a negative terminal or end. When the terminals are connected through a wire, chemical inside the battery reacts and form electricity. The electricity helps things to work. Now move on to copy work. Take out your copies and write down the word bank in your copies. After writing down word bank, you have to do question answers. These are 5 questions which I have given you. You have to do these questions in your journals. This is question number 1. Question number 2, 3 and question number 4. This is question number 4. This is question number 5. This is the book exercise number 1 on page number 55. I have marked the answers. You have to do it in your books. And this is exercise number 3 on page number 56. You have to do this in your books. Thank you.